Hey guys, welcome back. So, we're gonna be playing this game. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay. Hopefully you're there for. I think it's 10k prize. Yeah, it is. Okay, we got this frame ready. Okay, we're going red. Okay, no we did fall. Okay, we done it. You saved him. Or are we done? Okay, doing well. Okay. Already fifth done, did we like 60% completed? Birdie just got on the thing. Well, the like color thing gained, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, all the percent grews up pretty quickly. Okay. Please don't spam 6-7 in the comments. 6-7 is dead in 2026, guys. Okay. Let's hit yellow. Guys. Black. Blue Hawk. The background's black. Like, who? Sorry. Oh, no, I fell. Oh, no, we got a restart. And it was like, on no, she quite sure how much percent it was. But we fell, which was not really helpful. Right? Anyway, we're back on track at 39%. Nice. Okay. Wait. We're nearly at 50%. Right, we're gonna try beat the bacon dude. He is ahead of me. Okay. He's running away. No, we can't go. Okay, we might be able to beat him. Okay. Guys, no way we should beat him. Lol. Why is he not moving? He could have, like, done the orbit. Let's go. Wow, see what I mean is like the black kit. If you look at it from like an angle, you can't see the black kit, just blend in with the background. Okay. Wow, I'm nearly at 80%. If we didn't fall it again, but I don't think we will. So, slay. I've got 1k money. I wonder what I could do with that much money. Probably not a lot, but so why does it keep on being black? But anyway, right, nearly at 90%. No, why did I jump? Honestly, we should have just stayed. I thought I could jump to that, but oh, we can buy a helicopter scene. Oh, we still need that. 59k. Oh, ow. Got 50. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna spin this wheel a couple of times. Looks quite good. Ooh. 3.1k, so 2.2k, no. 2.4, oh no. We're just losing money. Oh. Slavery, but more. Oh, more. That's really not good. Like, we need money, ding, ding. Money is all I need. Anyway. Oh, no, we're losing the money again. That's successful. Right? Come on. We all good with something good? Hey, dainting the wheels in a good meat today. Right, where's my magic carpet? Where is it? But oh my god, this game is such a scam. So you're telling me, if I bought a magic carpet, I wouldn't get it? This is such a scam game. Right? This is, like, not very good. Because, look, well, that person got a magic carpet. Where's my magic carpet? I'm wearing a jetpack, but I didn't buy it. I don't understand how that works. See that she said that I got the magic carpet? I mean, to disable it or notice. Do you unfrozen the cage? Basically, get my money back. Nice. 10k. Nice. Ooh, there's some Ollie's. Let's go. I can't tell if the jetpack actually works, but I do think that's representing the magic carpet. Okay. Let's do the maze, maybe. Ooh, there's some nice options, but I want the most money, so we'll go maze. Let's try hack. Well, not hack, but like with cheating. Yes, we can see the way. Oh my god, yes, we're gonna win. Oh god, even that I see the way, can't even clear the right where he... Right? You even need that? How much money was that? Probably not enough, lol. I don't know. We don't need that much money. We need like, ooh, a lot of money, but yeah. So now, let's wait for the lucky block. I wonder what we're gonna get. Either you don't scam us again, cause, well, I want a prize so I can like use it to get to the end. Oh, nice morphs, but Squid Game, it's a bit old. And 13 minutes for the VIP area. I'll pass. Oh, okay, we tamed it. You got a sword. Where's my sword? The game scanned me once again. Right. This game is so scammy. Okay, and you're let's do the thing at them. Okay, come on. I was just trying to see if the jetpack was that cheap. I don't know why the wearing a jetpack I didn't buy it yet, so if it's for free then great, but yeah. Okay, oh, somebody's got a helicopter. Nice. Okay. Right. I think we got this. Now I think we're back on track. Like Loki. Wow, why are they writing it there at like that's making some people jealous? Look. Yeah. We have a poor one really book that should live. But I didn't really care. Like, you didn't need to read books of Franana, right? Like, anyway, let's get back to talking about the game. Right? Blue is, like, really vibrant, like, yeah. Okay. See, can we beat anyone? Is anyone ahead? Oh no, we fell. Right? This is not ready. Here we got. I don't know what we got. Up the beatbox. Right, that's nice. To even get it, Ibra. Such a scammy game, honestly. Okay, let's go. We got this. Woo. I could have jumped, but I think it was good that I didn't because it's too risky. So, right, let's carry on. Blue. There's a lot of blues and like blacks and stuff. Too often happens, you know? If you got this far, comment down this emoji, and then I know that you've watched nearly 10 minutes of the video, which would be very nice. And I'd be very grateful. So make sure to comment that emoji down below. Right, let's get back. So we are 38% down. Let's go. Let's get it to 50, shall we? Yes, we got it. We got the red. Okay. Come on. 50% slay. Okay. Let's go. So no. I didn't think. Oh, I don't know why I didn't make it helicopter. Let's go spin the wheel. We're getting it. See how much money we will get. 1K. 100. 100. 5K. Nice. 1,000. 100. Yeah, give up. Let's go. That's a jobby. Okay. Let's try and beat the bacon girl. Oh, okay, she's already left behind. Okay, there's some people up there. Maybe we can beat them. Well, there's another bacon girl. Let's try and beat her. Come on. Oh, she fell. Oh, wait, no, she did. But the one with the trail is too fast, so. Cool. We got it. We're back on track. Okay. I think we can get to the end this time. Okay, don't jump. I can't jump at the moment because I'm probably gonna fall near me. Okay, white. Let's go. You slay. Okay, nearly 80%. We got this week. Iffy now. It's gonna be so disappointing. Let's go. Okay, we're nearly there. Okay. 90%, we got this, come on. Oh, it's beef. Sometimes this game's like an upbeat and like jump from like the colors to colors. Really funny. Okay, if we fall now, I'm gonna like get so rage baited. Yay, we got 10K. Nice. Now, we got 39K, nearly ready to a helicopter. I got a spinner, right? Don't even have it. But honestly, this game's so scammy. 100, not helpful. 100, not helpful. 5K, nice. 10K, nice. 500. Oh my god, not this again. Do we even get the magic carpet? Oh, we're so close. Nice. Hey. Well, now, yeah, we're just starting to have more funny. Yes, we got enough for the helicopter. Let's buy it. And fly to the end. Oh no, full way we're going on it. Full way up we're going. Okay, that is a 5-day. Okay. It's a really end the right way. Okay, death. I really want to beat the helicopter from and by this and I'm gonna be off. I'm catching on first. Death. Jump out. Oh, there we go. Okay, we got it. We got the prize. Now let's jump on the helicopter again. The park off. The top on. Oh, no. It's not parking.